Cool Kicks YouTube channel, coming to you from Louisville. Let's go. All right, dude got a Champs right here. Let's go. They didn't have the Ultra Boost that I thought they would have, but look at this. They got these for $40. Dude got these hella bright ones for 40 bucks. They got multiple sizes because they got a size 10 right here, and then they got a size 9. So they do got them here. Okay. Got some Pure Boost 21s go for hella cheap as well. Okay. Trying to see if anybody I know needs one of those. That's just hella bright though. Holy crap, that is just way too bright. $40 though, that's what's up. Then got some of these NMDs. These red ones right here. All black right here, going for 80, not bad. And we've seen those on sale at different prices. And they do got the 37s, and look at this, another pair for $60. So yeah, so my initial thought that, hey, if with the flex stores, if something goes on sale at one store, they go on sale at most of them. Unless they only have like 1 or 2 pairs left, then, you know, certain spots will have crazy sales. But for the most part, some of that stuff, but with some items, when they're on sale nationwide. And I haven't seen these Kyries in a while. 80 for those. The lows right here going for 100. They do got Jordan releases. They got the latest ones right there, and then they also got 7s right here. And then got one of those as well, the Iversons. I'm a huge fan of those. And they got those right there, not on sale? Really? I feel like we've seen these on sale everywhere. So I got those Iversons on the bottom as well. Couple of forums, or quite a few forums, going for 60. Also got these pro models right here going for 60 as well. St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway, 2003. That is LeBron's rookie year. I think Adidas was the school sponsor of St. Vincent St. Mary's way back when. Look at this. Look at this T-Mac ones right here going for $50. That's fire. They also got the 3s right here. I love that one. I have that one at home. And then they do have a clearance section back here. Got the red light special up top. But I think this is going to be mostly Champ sports gear as well as some Champion merch. So, yeah, nothing too crazy. They got beanies going for $10. Bengals beanie right here. Colts one right here. They even got Jordan ones right here. These are all $10? Okay, that's not bad. Dude got the Shaq Attacks here, as well as Reebok Omnis. And then look at this, the Grant Hill Flint Tropics. I don't think I've ever seen these at a retail shop. They do got these for $100 here. Okay, these are 120, 128. Okay. Then got the Kobe's over here. New Balance 574s. We've seen these for $40. These are normally $95, so that's a real healthy discount. Got some Jordan 1 lows up there. All right, this is definitely starting off better than the mall out in Lexington. I think this mall is going to be way better. There's way more sneaker shops. All right, let's go. And then a super early food court review. Got a coffee shop right here. Bootleg Panda Express where you help yourself. Charlie's Philly Cheese. Got a Tony D's. Is that Guatemalan food? Okay. Burritos, quesadillas, empanadas. And then got a bootleg Panda Express right here. This might be the lowest score we've ever given to a food court. This got to be like a 3. It's got to be a 3, man. Maybe a 3 or 4. All right, let's go check out some more shops. They got a bunch of shops here. They also do have a round 1 here. I thought those were just in LA. Holy crap. They do have a JD Sports. Oh, we've seen plenty of those. Look at this. They got a Snipes. First time I've ever been to Snipes. All right, let's go. One thing I do know about Snipes, when they get rid of stuff, they clearance the hell out of items. I've seen stuff on social media where people are getting it for hella cheap. All right, let's look around. This is what I'm talking about. $30 or less. And they got some fire stuff right there. We'll get to that in a sec. This is fire too. But this is what I don't like about University Blue. So many different shades of University Blue. Like, man, but these are $82 down to 30 or less. They got Snipes sweats right here. Really solid material. Very, very solid material. All these going for under 30. Got more Snipes gear right here under 30. Got a Nike jacket right here. It says 60 bucks. 90 down to 60. And apparently under 30 now. But look at this right here. Look at this. This is fire. Cooperstown Collection Mitchell & S. These are normally $130. And I'm gonna have to find out the price because it says everything's under 30 bucks. Got a medium and a large. Also got these right here. These t-shirts. It's like a really, really nice t-shirt. $70 under 30 bucks. Got Phillies. Got a few different sizes up to XXL. And then got a Pittsburgh one right here. This is a small, I believe, though. But that is fire. That's fire, dude. These normally 100. I did hit up one of my boys, see if he wants the Detroit one. He's from Detroit, so he might want that. $130? Are you serious? Down to $30? Computer rating it up as $39.99. I was like, it says $29.99 or less. So yeah, $30. I think he'll give it to me for 30 bucks. I'm gonna see if one of my homies want that. We got stuff on sale here. Some grade school Huaraches going for 40. Got a bunch of those. Some 574s. These are down to 40 bucks. Okay, that's a size 9 right there. This is their Jordan selection right here. I don't see no retros. They just, oh, okay. They got some ones right here. Oh, these are the ones they just released yesterday, apparently. I was not aware of that. These just released. They're okay. They're okay. Definitely not grabbing those. They got the 6s right here, 7s. Got a bunch of mids. Got some ones. The suede Royals right there, and then the AJKOs. But other than the mids and lows, that's about it. See a few things on sale. 50% off these top 10s. Got a couple of them on sale. Got some forums right here going for 50% off. Don't see the price on it though. This is like some Michigan forums right here. Okay, never seen those before. Got some Romas, 50% off. Blue stripe, red stripe. The leather on these are hella nice, but they just run hella narrow. I haven't worn those since I think college. I used to wear those all the time. All right, still waiting for one of my boys to call me back. What's this right here? Oh, is this U brand? Is this U brand with every team on it? Okay. Okay, that's definitely not my cup of tea, but that's definitely interesting. Ultra game, okay. Normally 68, under 30 bucks. They got the LeBrons for regular price. I feel like those have been on sale everywhere. All right, on to the next one. All right, JD Sports next door. JD's been crazy with their selection lately. Look at how many walls they have. Holy crap, just all filled with sneakers. Of course, we got to start with the last chance session or the sale session, whatever the hell they call it. Got some trainers right here. Oh, okay. Oh, this like the last ones, I guess. Got some more trainers right there. Got some 312s below. Both go for 100. Blazers going for 65. 574s right here. Not on sale though. Of course it's gonna fall off. Look at that, man. NMD's down to 70. Alright. Speaking of 574s, I've never seen this colorway. So they do have new colors coming out. 90 bucks. Material on this. That's nice. That's nice. 90 bucks just seems steep. You know, they'll eventually go down. You know, a lot of good stuff been going on sale. Especially this stuff like not super hyped. Got one of the, what is this? The rugged versions right here. The outsole definitely way thicker. Is the midsole thicker too? I don't know. Seems to sit higher. Colorway is not bad. 95 for those. Latest colorway, latest material. What material is this? What material is this? It's like the texture of patent leather, but Also the texture of suede. Holy cow, what material is that? Looks like it's light and durable. But yeah, around 21s, first time I've seen that colorway. Then of course these are on sale. Oh, man, I was surprised to see them at regular price at Snipes. Got all the Ja ones. I don't know if it's all the colors. I got plenty of them right here. I'll go for $1.20. Budget version of the Currys right here, $60. That's definitely a deal. Grade school, that's just too much. Too much. All right, looking to see if they have anything else on sale. I did hear back from the homie Brandon. He said he's good. He said he's good on the Detroit jersey. Not really seeing any apparel sales. Couple more stores before I end my trip. I don't even think I've ever seen these questions right here. They're already on sale. Got that ashy suede right there. Is that Nubuck? I think it's Nubuck. $100 for those. Got the Kobe's. Got the Phillies right here. And then I don't know what the hell team this is. Okay. Damn, they got all kinds of questions. These are the lows right here. I got Omnis. Then I got the question pumps right there. Omnis. Got those right there. And then, well, I've never even seen these. Have I seen these? Okay. Regular retail, $170. The new price for the questions. Got a trio of the Gill Zeros at a really, really good price. And then got these. I really like these. Dang it, $70 is a really good price. I don't think I've seen them for 70 in a while. Damn, dude, I feel like I should get these. $1.50 down to 70. Those are the T-Mac 3s with the suede in the back. I just love that suede in the back right there. Got Ultra Boost for $80 NMDs as well. Black with the gold. And then why is this Ultra Boost all the way in the bottom? I feel like they should have the Ultra Boost next to each other. Got some Donovan issue. What are these? The 2s? The 3s. These are the 3s. Yeah, man. You got a sales table, 37s. Got these bad boys down to $80. They only have one because they're worried about people stealing them. 70 for these bad boys. The Zion 2 Zoom Freaks for 60. And then the kids at Tempo's down to $60. $60. That's the last one right there. Hirachis down to 60. And these are 60 as well. They do got some questions. What color is this? Oh, we already know. It says 25th anniversary ones. $60. It does come with the... Oh, I didn't know it comes with one of these. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we have been seeing them for 60 here and there. That is a solid deal. Solid deal. 550s, we've seen those down to 80. 650s, which is the high top version, down to 50. 480s right here. Seen sales on New Balances. 574s down to 60. And then we've seen this colorway down to 40 at quite a few spots now. Why is our dog barking so much? What the hell? And then dude got a Ross. All right, let's go. Active top session. This place is crowded as hell. Holy crap. Guarantee you this is a super high volume location. Got a 3X blank football jersey, 80 down to 10. Yeah, man, this place is crazy how packed it is. Nike USA jacket, $50. This is an extra large. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I did happen to see this when I walked by. This is pretty fire. This is a medium. I'd definitely get it for my brother-in-law. $13. $13. This is a large 47 brand. That's hella cheap. Nike dry fit jacket right here. Double XL, $30 for that one. They do have stuff. You just have to do a lot of searching, because this is gonna have a ton of volume because it's just packed. This is one of the most packed Ross I've ever seen. $47 for these right here. These are the Phantoms. The Phantoms, those super high end. She's trying to restock, and it's just crazy. That's so packed. So packed. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's going for 50 right here. Got some Sauconys right here going for 50. These are the Shadow 6000s. This silhouette is dope, dude. The silhouette is fire. 50 bucks. These are size 13. Hoka boots. Hoka boots going for $70. Cheaper than the Hoka running shoes. Got some Uggs right here. Going for $30. Got Forums right here. 45. That was like a size 13, size 11 right here. Got some canvas blazers going for 50. Got some Converse going for 40. Another one hanging by a thread right there. That's what's keeping it up. All right, that's about it, you guys. That's about it. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm gonna have to head home. I was hoping to find some beanies or like some accessories and stuff like that for cheap. Didn't really find much here, but it is what it is. This mall was pretty dope. Did find some Ultra Boost for hella cheap. Did find some Mitchell and Ness gear for hella cheap. But yeah, the biggest surprise out here, a lot of Latinos. I didn't think I'd see many Latinos, to be really honest, because you know we are in the south or east. I don't know, but yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Then beef jerky. This is my work provided lunch. And time to go to the airport. Y'all can have your White Castle. I'll take In-N-Out any day over White Castle. Did wrap it up with the Prius. I think I drove like 370 miles, something like that, in 24 hours. I was here literally 24 hours. 2 days, but 24 hours. Whenever I go to a new state, I always get a magnet for my kiddo. They better have something here. Dang, dude. That's it? Okay, there's some better ones right here. Okay, oh, this one's kind of cool. Fast Women, Beautiful Horses. Good bourbon. Maybe this one. $9. License plate's only $4. This is $9. It's a lot more work though.